Greetings! In this tutorial we're going to go over how to access library resources using Google Scholar. Google Scholar is a powerful tool for finding peer-reviewed materials from across the internet. However, like all tools, it has both benefits and drawbacks. On the one hand, you have all the scope and search power of Google, allowing you to search in multiple different repositories at once for information. On the other hand, like Google itself, you often get a massive number of results without much in the way of filtering tools beyond more refined keyword searches. Hence, Google Scholar is probably most useful when you know exactly what you're looking for and can type the exact title into the search box. Another problem with Google Scholar is that it searches the public websites for scholarly journals, which means that a lot of the results it provides for you are locked behind paywalls. This problem, the problem of paywalls, does have a very simple solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link Google Scholar to your library account. We're going to do this by turning on settings in Google Scholar that will show you which of the results it finds are available in our databases. To start out, we're going to begin not at Google Scholar, but at the library homepage, which you can find by typing CPP Library into Google or the search engine of your choice. The reason we're starting at the library homepage is so that you can log into your library account, which, especially if you're at home, is the way to make sure what we're going to do will work. So, select the My Library Account link, and now select the Student and Employee Login button, and log in with your Bronco ID and password. Now that you're logged in, let's head over to Google Scholar. On the home screen for Google Scholar, click on the so-called hamburger icon, the three parallel horizontal lines, over in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Now, click on the Settings option. Okay, now you're going to click on the Library Links option on the menu on the left-hand side of the page. In the search box, type in Cal Poly Pomona and then hit the search button. Upon doing so, Cal Poly Pomona should appear as a checked box option at the bottom of your screen. Now, check the box for the Cal Poly Pomona option and then select the Save button. Okay, so now we're going to do a search. Let's try Lewis Phillips and Pomona. We get about 43 results, and next to some of the search results, there are links that say Find It, Cal Poly Pomona. The presence of these links means we have access to this result in our databases. If you click on one of the Find It links, it will take you to OneSearch where you will be provided with a link that will take you to the full text of the article, in this case, in JSTOR. So that's the basics of linking your library account to Google Scholar. Thank you for watching. If you need assistance with Google Scholar or with any other aspect of your research, please contact us for assistance. You can email us at libraryhelp, one word, @cpp.edu.